What's good, my people? Back again with another one. So something I do sometimes, not all the time, because my channel is mainly sneakers, etc. I've got some clothing. Represent, as you can see, nice big bold writing on the packaging. Just got some tracksuits. I've had mixed experiences with Represent before. Anyone who shopped the Black Friday sale recently knows, again, another mixed experience. But I did manage to get this, which has been on my mind, been on my wish list for a long time, and I weren't able to. It's known as the Represent Owners Club stamped or stamp hoodie, as it says right there. So Represent Owners Club stamp hoodie. A lot of people know the normal Owners Club hoodie, tracksuit, etc. This is a bit different, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. So the color is ash grey. I haven't seen this color in person. I'm hoping it will look nice. That's actually a nice shade of grey, I have to say straight off the bat. I actually like that. You've obviously got your whatever, just throw that to the side. That good old Owners Club hood. So this is exactly like the Owners Club fit, standard Owners Club, but it's just a bit different in terms of design. So here it says powered by enthusiasts, Represent England Owners Club, and then we've obviously got tags and all that good stuff, which come with all the Represent pieces. This one is one that's on original stuff. If you buy stuff and it's not original, or it's Represent and it's fake, it probably won't have this tag, or it usually doesn't have this tag, so that's a dead giveaway. We've got a nice hood, good material, thick material. We've got the oversized hood with the button, which closes. I never do that button up, I just leave it open, but it looks good. Then obviously we've got the Represent made in Portugal on the tag, and then we go to the back. Powered by enthusiasts, Represent England Owners Club. So again, on the back, this time in a big print all across. The color on this is a bit of like a beige off-white type tone. That's going to take a bit of getting used to, but I do have the black version with the same thing. But on here, I think I'd prefer it in black, but I don't mind. It was a decent price. So on the inside, you can see it's got that decent material. It's a good heavyweight or heavy oversized hoodie. I do like the fit of these. I'm not going to try it on in this video right now, and that's all the care instructions and all that good stuff. So yeah, we've got the hoodie there. Hoodie, I just usually go true to size, my normal size. Joggers is a bit different. I go upper size because I want them a bit more baggier. And here we go. Powered by Represent England Owners Club. Same thing with the tags and the labels, all on here. So I've gone up a size from XL to XXL just because they're more baggy, more roomy, nice oversized fit. I do like the fit, and I also believe that when you buy these type of joggers from Represent, it's always like, I don't know, XL is like an L is like an M, and etc, etc. So I usually go up a size. The fit's just much nicer, and then on the bottom it's just cuffed. So it's basically just a normal grey tracksuit, but with some branding. On the back we've got just 2 pockets, just normal, not really going to use those. And yeah, so I can't wait to actually try this on. I had to make this video before trying it on because I thought if I open the bags and all that, I can't get it back to perfect. So far I really do like it. It's more or less what I wanted, if not what I wanted. But the fit has to be on point. It has to look good. Plus, I'm going to have a bit of difficulty finding something to wear on the bottom of these, and what I mean by that is by trainers, sneakers. Yes, I do have a lot of pairs, but usually when it comes to a grey tracksuit like this, it's always white trainers, white sneakers for me. If you're in the UK, or if you're in probably half of the world, then you know how cold it is right now and how muddy, wet, etc. it is. So all white trainers, sneakers is not the best idea. So yeah, I got to find a good pair of trainers to go with these. Is that just an excuse, or do I? Yeah, I definitely do. But yeah, if I can be bothered, I'll do like a video of how it looks on, etc. Usually I can't, or I don't want to. I don't feel like it, so I don't. But yeah, for these, I might try to do like an outfit video. But yeah, stay posted. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.